here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am back with another toy review for you guys. And as you guys can see, I will be unboxing the Biankha doll, and I'm super excited because this represents girls of colour. Obviously sometimes you see Barbie dolls that may not look like the girls of colour, so I love this Barbie doll so much because it also helps empowering young girls of colour to look at themselves through a different doll. So that's what I'm going to be unboxing today. So don't forget to like this video for this very empowering, amazing doll. And without further ado, let's get straight into this toy review. So I bought the natural Biankha, and then they also have the CEO Biankha, and then they have two more which will be coming out. The traditional Biankha, and then they have the Queen Biankha, which will be coming out soon. So do not forget to stay tuned for those ones. I'll leave their website in the description down below and their Instagram so you guys can follow them. Check out these amazing Barbies. So now we have our scissors, which is a very iconic part of Vanessa's unboxing videos because it helps us through a lot of things, because we know that Vanessa can't really open it with her hand because Vanessa's just not like that. But now we're going to cut it through. I'm not trying to ruin the actual package. Okay, you guys ready? Let's slide it. Ta-da! Oh, this is so cool. Okay, let's put the plastic to the side. This is what she looks like up close. And as you guys can see, the main feature about this doll is her kinky hair, and I love it so much because it feels like actual hair and it feels very soft. And I'm never going to brush this. I'm going to keep this like Biankha because Biankha's going to stay herself. So now we're going to take it actually out of the package. So I love the packaging so much. It's like gold and purple. I don't want to actually like take it out of the box. I don't want to ruin the box first of all. So now you guys can see that we opened the Biankha doll, and I love her so much because like at the back her hair's a little bit flat, so we'll just enhance those beautiful curls. But you can see that this is Biankha. Obviously she has her top, her natural Biankha top, which says obviously Biankha on it. Then she has her jeans, she has a nice silver bracelet, then she also has these lovely black heels. This is something I completely love about this doll collection, is that you get these different collectible cards, and each card tells you a little bit about this kind of Biankha, like these different sides of Biankha. So I'll read this one out. So I obviously have the natural Biankha card, and I'll read it out to you guys. And it says, natural Biankha believes herself to be most radiant when she wears her hair in its natural state. She is proud that her hair is so versatile as she can wear it in many styles. Her hair is a crown. Natural Biankha is confident, humble, and appreciative of her heritage. I am proud, said by Biankha. So now I'll read the back of the packaging to you guys. And it says, in a land not too far away from here, there lives a little girl with a smile so sincere. She's called Biankha. Her name Egyptian, Ankh, stands for eternal life, an ancient inscription. Biankha is a girl of African descent. She is fearless, kind, and very content. She's a curly-haired queen and couldn't be prouder. When talking of her culture, she couldn't be any louder. Her history tells of stories of the noble, bright and brave. From pharaohs to bus rides and carnival parades, Biankha is proud of her natural hair, but isn't always easy for her to wear. At school, it seemed like everyone's hair was straight, and sometimes Biankha questioned her natural trait. As time went on, her confidence grew. Biankha's curly crown stood tall, proud and new. Biankha will teach you to embrace who you are, be proud of what you have, and you'll go very far. You're a little princess, keep your head up to be seen. You've been gifted with all the power on your journey to become a queen. So what I love about this brand is not only can it be a doll for people to look at and look at themselves through, and also to play with as well, but it also empowers little princesses to become queens, and Biankha is a very amazing role model to show that, because as I was saying in the little poem at the back of the box, that she's wearing her curly crown, and so am I. So thank you so much for watching this toy review. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and do not forget to head over to the Biankha website so you guys can go and purchase one of these beautiful dolls, because as I said before, they have the CEO Biankha, and then they will be coming out with traditional Biankha, and they'll be coming out with Queen Biankha, which I'm very excited to see. And also do not forget to like this video if you love Biankha as much as I do, and you love her curly hair, because I love her curly hair and I love my curly hair as well. But also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, become an inspirator on this channel, and also do not forget to hit the bell in the corner, because that way you can get notified every single time I post a brand new empowering video featuring different toys like this one. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!